Want 3D backgrounds in DaVinci Resolve? Here's how. First, search in your browser for ZO Depth. Switch to Image to 3D. Then upload your background. Activate Keep Occlusion Edges. Then click on Submit and download the file. Next, we need to change the format of the file from GLB to FBX. To do this, just search for GLB to FBX converter. With some converters, DaVinci Resolve will crash. I will use 3DPA because you can convert unlimited backgrounds. Upload your background file and click on the Settings button and change to base color, then download. Open DaVinci Resolve and create a Fusion composition. Copy these nodes like I do. Then click on Fusion, Import FBX Scene, and choose the FBX file. Click on OK and then change the Y rotation to 180 degrees in the Transform 3D node. In the Render 3D node, change to Hardware Render. Deactivate anti-aliasing for now. Click on the dot at the Merge 3D node to view the 3D scene. Now you can add your characters and start animating by adding keyframes in the Camera 3D node. If you want a specific tutorial on how I composite, leave a comment down below. For the particle background, just delete the 3D background. Press Shift Space and select the P emitter node. Then also add a P renderer node. Then click on the P emitter node and go to Frame 1. Add a keyframe for number and type the number of particles you want to spawn. Go to Frame 2 and set the number to 0. In the Region tab, you can change the region and the region size to your liking. On the Style tab, change the style to Blob to see the particles better. If you want, you can also change the color and the color variance. Under Controls, you can change the velocity of the particle. Also adjust the lifespan of the particle to the length of your Fusion composition. Here's how I did it on my Fendi edit. I used a Shape 3D to arrange the particles. Make sure to select Mesh in the Region tab of the P emitter node and use the same object ID for both nodes.